wow, what a move. You know, guys, he finds the move like here. If at this position, I want to tell you something that the Indian's assessment is +2. But when Prag makes the move, the Indian is like, नहीं यार ये +2 नहीं, ये ज़्यादा better है. This is like +4. Indian also not understanding Prag is winning right now. Like now I can literally say he is winning. Magnus plays knight takes, rook takes b3. मतलब आंखें बंद भी करेंगे ना तो भी Prag is going to take with the rook and of course not the pawn. So rook takes b3. This time when you go queen c7, whoa, you will have to find another important move. Good move you will have to find here. White to play. Rook b3 has happened on the board. I am guessing Magnus to go queen c7 or queen e7 or whatever. But the idea which Prag will need to find is not so simple. Wait a second. Crazy. If Prag finds this idea, I can actually say that he would. Then I think I can predict that Prag will win. एंड क्या ही टाइम पे ये तो विटनेस करना ही है सागर तुमको. 145 पीपल. नहीं ये हुआ नहीं है, मैग्नेस थोड़ी है होने दे. बट ठीक है, अभी अभी तुम आए हो. सो अभी अभी तुम आए हो, चले जाए. वी हैव रीच्ड दिस पोजीशन. सागर व्हाट अ मूव Prag finds there यार. क्वीन c7, queen e2, so natural, right? With the idea of rook b8 and all. But queen d1, I feel Magnus has missed this. You can't go here. This is what we were looking at. Now you get it, right? So what Magnus plays is g6, wanting to create the escape square. Escape square, Sagar.
Escape.
Yeah. What does it, when I say the word escape, what comes to your mind? अरे बैठो. I got it. So Magnus goes g6, Prag goes queen b1 with the threat of check and pinning the queen. ज्यादा कुछ elaborate नहीं, simple. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And Magnus goes queen c5.
And you know, Amrita, his point was that if you try to escape from here, this would be a very nice pin. So he just moved the queen away and said, if you give a check, I come up. If another check, I go forward. And if you take here, well, in the end, Amrita, this is just a draw now because of this. So,
I would have asked this. They are right now on fire, waiting
so Amrita,
to
what
answer.
should be White's way?
Prag plays the move. He goes rook b7.
Cut kar diya, cut.
Without scissors, Prag is cutting here. Cutting chai, guys.
B3 and now resign. Because there's a forced mate here.
So one more move Magnus will play, and when Prag makes the move, you're expecting a resignation. What about you, chat? What do you think? Sagar, bye.
Please continue, Amrita, once again.
No, don't go right now. It's going to end. Don't go. तुसी ना जाओ सागर, तुसी ना जाओ. Sachin tweet आएगा तो मजा आएगा, says Vishrut. अरे of course, no. If Prag beats Magnus, it's going to be so cool. No, and also for Norway chess, for the tournament, overall interest. It's the moment, right, which we were all waiting for the classical, like our youngsters to beat Magnus in a classical game. This is something. Arey, rook g8 happened. Rook g8 on the board is the move which Sagar said. Ki next move, according to Sagar's prediction, Prag will play queen b3 and then Magnus will resign. Let me see if Prag goes queen b3. Is there anything which Magnus can play to stop the mate? d5 is the only move, let's say you can play to stop the mate. And then, yeah, काफी सारा ऑप्शन है. नहीं, काफी सारा नहीं है वैसे. बेस्ट मेथड if you want to, you know, they say that if you, the stronger the player you are, the faster you will finish the game. Like बहुत बार 1200s, let's say if they are one pawn up, फिर वो बहुत देर तक खेलते रहेंगे, घूम के गेम टाइम वाइज जल्दी खत्म होएगा, बट घूम करके खेलेंगे. That's how it would be. But queen b3 on the board. Are we expecting a resignation right now, or maybe another move, d5? Is Magnus going to make the move d5? Will he play d5? Yes, rook check. Rook check is a possibility, but I like rook takes h7 more with the idea of queen b8 mein. Sagar Shah, d5. Okay, Magnus has played the move d5. Shall we play rook h7? But then there is rook g7, no? One second. If I go rook h7, if you go rook g7, then there is queen b8 check and queen b7 check, and you win it. So d5 on the board, and Pragg goes rook h7 without thinking. Time pressure kuch bhi nahi. 7 minutes on the clock. 3 more moves to play. Big threat incoming. Checkmate is threatened right now. Magnus will not be able to save it. This is the moment to resign. I think there's absolutely nothing. I mean, if the Indians' first best move is rook g2 check, giving up the rook. Yes! Pragg OP result on the board for the first time. Praggnanandhaa beats Magnus Carlsen in a classical chess game. It's a big entry into, the diary of the youngsters there. So amazing. Pragg OP, guys. Pragg OP. What a class he was to beat Magnus in such a... Magnus played Sicilian Khan, and then Pragg with his slow and steady. At some point you felt that Magnus is, managed, everything is fine, but suddenly Pragg makes such different, unique moves. He finds each and every move on the board, except for one or two moves which were still logical. He makes all the best moves, and with the white pieces in a classical game with no chance to Magnus, he is taking away 3 points today. With this win, he gets the 3 points and he creates history for himself to beat Magnus Carlsen. This is only the start of it. More to go, more number of times we're gonna see Pragg beating Magnus in classical now, because once you break that barrier, it just starts flowing. It's the first time is always the the hardest. So this one is beautiful moment for all of Indian fans, and I don't know how Magnus is feeling. I'm so glad that Abhida is there, and we're gonna hear the whole story from him. Ki kya hua, kaise hua, will he get Pragg's interview, will he... Maza aega. And Vaishali over there, exactly how would she be feeling? I'm also wondering whether she would be